Hey girl, hey! So for today's Makeup Monday, I'm going to be sharing with you this look and how I achieved it. It is all about the skin, lashes, and lips, so I'm super excited to show this to you guys. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, first we're going to prime our eyelids with the ColourPop concealer, and I'm just going to blend that out with my Morphe blending sponge, just so we have a really nice clear base. Next, I'm going to go into my Sony palette and actually set that concealer with the white shade in the palette. This is the Ion Neutral palette actually from Sony. And then next, with these two shades, I'm going to carve out my crease just a little bit to give it more definition and not look so flat. You can actually also do this with your bronzer if you want to eliminate the step of an eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm going to just pop a little bit of this white shade on my lids just to add a little bit more definition as well. Next, I'm going to add just a little bit of mascara so they blend in with the lashes we're going to put on. These lashes are amazing. Definitely go down to the description box below. I'll have actually a link and my code. You can get 10% off these lashes if you use the code KristenS10. And I really appreciate it. It is an affiliate link, so just be aware, but I appreciate any support that you do give me. Plus, these lashes are amazing. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prime my skin with a little bit of facial oil. This is by Dewy. And then this other oil is going to be by Tarte. These are like the Rainforest drops. Just really glowy, dewy skin is what I'm going for today, so the skin looks flawless. And then I'm going to take my Sony foundation. This is in the Soft Focus Satin Matte Foundation. This is the one that I had purchased from Target, and I really like it. Very medium to full coverage. Again, you don't have to go to full coverage, but for me, I like doing full coverage just so my skin looks so flawless. So just go ahead and blend that in, and then we're going to add some concealer in the usual spots under the eyes, bridge of the nose, and then also the Cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin and the forehead. This just really draws attention towards the center of the face to make you look a little bit more slim, to make you look like you've been on that diet, okay? And I'm just going to blend this out with my Morphe blending sponge. I really, really like this sponge. It works so well. So yeah, just go ahead and blend all of that out. I'm going to set all the areas I put concealer with my Airspun powder. This is from either Walmart or Walgreens. You can purchase it, and I love this. I just recently fell back in love with this, and it's just amazing. If you're looking for an affordable powder, I recommend this one. Alrighty, next, I'm actually going to take the puff that comes in that and set my whole face just so everything looks flawless. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX contour palette, and I'm going to take the first shade and bronze my face first, and then really sculpt it out with the darker powder in the palette, and hit my nose a little bit and underneath my lip just to give us a nice overall contoured look. Then I'm gonna carve out those cheekbones because we want a nice chiseled look. Snatch that nose real quick. And then I'm going to go in with my Dior highlighter. This is an 02, I believe, and I love this highlighter. It is so nice. It's not chunky. It's just the right amount of glisten, I guess. But I'm going to pop that pretty much everywhere because I do want a really like glowy, dewy look today. And then I'm going to put that highlighting powder also on the Cupid's bow, really covering it out with a smaller detail brush. And also hitting it on my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to take this Smashbox primer spray and spray that on my beauty blender and just tap all the areas we put that highlight. I feel like it really meshes the highlight into the skin and makes it look so flawless. Now just dusting away the rest of that powder and moving on to these faux freckles. Again, with the NYX contour palette, I'm going to take my spoolie and really dig it into the contour shade, and then tap it over the face where you feel like you need your freckles at, and it just makes such, like, I guess, natural as possible looking freckles. So I love this technique. I think it looks a little bit more natural than just drawing them on sporadically. And make sure you hit other areas of your face so they do look as natural as possible. And then just to hit a couple couple spots and make them look, you know, a little bit darker, go in with either a brow pencil, and then also I go in with a black eyeshadow just to darken up some spots, add a few more that I feel like they like where I need them at. But that's what like freckles usually look like, is kind of like different colors. Some are bigger, some are smaller. And yeah, just hit everywhere you think you want those freckles. I love how this looks. Next, we're going to go in with the ColourPop liquid lipstick, and this is in Souffle, and I really love this color. This look is all about the lips, lashes, and skin, and I think I achieved that with this look today. Quickly, I'm going to set my face with the All Nighter setting spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you Wednesday.